Hey everyone, today I've got this little 40mm brass padlock from Capital. Here's the key. 5 pins. Fitting's a bit rubbish. Anyway, works nicely. Now this lot, you can see tension it, put it into a false set, and it's all spools in there. It's not that difficult to pick. Let's give it a go. In 5, slight click on 4, 3, that's like the drop. So, yep, 4's back down. And now, equal false set. 2, 1. There we go. Now, the thing you notice is part of why we get such a deep false set maybe is the tolerances are pretty low. You can see the gaps around the shackle there, so we can shim this. Get some padlock shims. Sorry, my hands are quite bad today. One of Parkinson's disease. Just one. There we go. Nice little lock, not very secure, but I paid £5 for this, so there you go. Okay, thanks for watching.